would like to share with all of you, we are thrilled to dedicate this show to our crew. I've never met a team that works harder with just amazing ideas and creativity, and we are so proud of all of our team members here. I know you don't get to see them often, but throughout our show, we've been showcasing some of our loves, and we've also been showcasing some amazing deals. So you can still get gift cards delivered digitally at QVC. Go to QVC.com, search gift card. This is from Frigidaire. And if you saw a tumbler for $18.98. Okay, that makes sense. This is one that will, it's stainless steel on the inside. It's got a little sippy lid to it and silicone, so you don't have to worry about it spilling everywhere. But this comes with a coffee maker. So it's a coffee tumbler that comes with a coffee maker. And on the inside, it has a reusable mesh, so you can use your ground coffee. You could even use tea bags in there. Comes in 7 colors. Now, this color choice is the green. We also have it available for you in the aqua. We have the lavender. We have navy. We've got purple. We have red. And we have white. It is $18.98. To me, this is how I look at it. It's an $18 tumbler that comes with a 98-cent coffee maker. I mean, Stacey, the price on this, I am just blown away. And this is still a gift that we should stock up on at this price. Stacey Shermall is coming back to chat with us all about it. And Stacey, this was a hot item for under the tree. And I think this is also a hot item for anybody in 2024.
That's exactly right, Mary. I mean, how many times do we commit to an entire pot of coffee in a day, which means we're also committing to one flavor. So we're a family of 5. I like decaf. My daughter likes French vanilla. My husband likes dark roast. We each have our own now. You can just make your own. And the best part about it, Mary, I have them all going right now. I'm not sure if you can hear them, but if we had some smell-o-vision going on, it smells so good in here. So it's so simple. Let me just show you quickly. It's not, no complications here, no directions. It's really self-explanatory. Pour your 14-ounce cup in there, stick it right underneath the coffee. Now you're going to take your coffee. We even give you your own little scooper. Aww. You're going to put it in a little reusable mesh container. Pour about 3 or 4 scoops in there. Close the lid. Turn on the power source, and then you're going to just turn on the infrared button on the side, and you're going. It's already brewing. In 9 seconds, Mary, it's already brewing. And guess how long it takes to have a cup of coffee?
How long?
3 minutes.
That's
3
it?
minutes, you have a cup of coffee in your hand.
Oh my gosh, that's so good. And I love how easy it is. I mean, look at this. The power button is right there. Like, it's not hard to figure out. You fill the tumbler with however much coffee you want to have. You pour that into the back of the machine, put in your coffee, hit the button, you're done. I mean, it's so easy. And I love the fact that it's $18.98. I mean,
I thought you were joking.
No, I thought I was too. I checked it 3 or 4 times, especially at 3 easy payments of $6.33. And I think that the reason why I checked it 3 times is because this is Frigidaire. This isn't hey, we just decided to throw this together for you. This is a company that's been around for a really long time. They know what they're doing.
That's exactly right, Mary. And what you can do too is, how about having your own little barista bar? You have some dessert, you have dinner, and you have people over. They're going to want some dessert. Everybody gets their own. I always set up a little barista bar. Guess what else you can do? You don't just have to have coffee or tea, which, by the way, you can have loose tea in here. You can put hot chocolate. I just made some hot chocolate. I have some whipped cream right in the sink because I don't have any more counter space. Make some hot chocolate in here. There you go. You're set. The kids love that. And speaking of not a lot of counter space, I really don't have a ton. So the last thing I want up here is a big lugged up coffee maker, right? This is slim. It's unique. It's so creative. And who doesn't love it? You don't have to boil water anymore is the other thing, Mary, in the microwave or on the stove. Use this to boil water. You can pour your water into some mac and cheese cups, into some soup cups. So the uses are endless for the office, for the dorm, for your kitchen, anywhere you can think of.
So I turn the power on with the little power button on the side, and then do I get it to brew by flipping this switch?
You get it, you flip that switch, and then over on the other side,
got
Mary,
it.
is a little button that you press. And
Got it.
in 9 seconds, I don't think that you have a power source right there.
No.
But when I tell you, it starts gurgling in 9 seconds.
9 seconds.
I mean,
seconds.
Yeah, and let me mention to you guys how many of you listening out there are bundling yourselves up in the morning to go to the coffee shops to spend $5-6 for a cup of coffee. When in the morning, my friend keeps this in her bedroom. She pops it open. As much water as you put in is what you're getting out. So if you want to put your own little mug under there for the morning, pour it into there, and then take this and you have your own little cup of joe to go. Put this in the car. It has its own lid. So you put it right into the center of your console, take it to go, nothing spilling, walk right into work, walk down wherever you're going, and you're completely set.
You know, I look at this as an $18.98 tumbler that comes with a coffee maker. Isn't that ridiculous?
Exactly.
Well, first of all, and I said this earlier, right? Stella went out to the store and bought one of those brand name tumblers the other day.
Yeah.
3 times the price of just this.
They run like, I know the brand you're talking about. They're about $50 a piece.
A piece, right? Okay, and to your point, this is a tumbler with a coffee maker attached.
Right. It just comes with it in the box.
It's the gift that keeps on giving.
And we have colors too. So if somebody has a favorite school color or just a favorite color,
see
you
where
can do
you're going
that.
there, yeah.
So we have the green on set with us here. We also have it available. Oh, we have about 750 remaining in the green. That's it. 250 already picked up in the show. We have the aqua. There are 600 remaining in that aqua color. There's aqua.
Oh, that's pretty.
Here's lavender.
Ooh.
We have 800 there.
Okay.
We have navy, and there's 700 left. We have purple, and that's most limited.
Not to be confused with
225 remaining,
lavender.
correct. And we have red, and there are 900 in the red. And we have the white,
Ooh, that's nice.
and there are 250 remaining.
Get the toaster, they match.
Oh, come on.
Right.
So we have 3 easy payments of $6.33 on this one. Yeah, get the toaster, they match. Reusable mesh filter, so use your tea bags, use your loose tea, use your coffee. And Jonathan, you were gonna tell me how many? How many gone? Over 400 have now been picked up in the show. I get it, always popular. Stacey, I do believe this is your last item in the show. Merry Christmas to you, my friend.
I get to see you tomorrow, Mary,
That's
with the
right.
magic tea kettle.
Yay.
We're Christmas Eve
Awesome.
partners tomorrow.
Oh, I'm so glad. Good. I'll see you in studio tomorrow. Thank you, my friend.
All right, Mary.
Bye-bye
Thank you.
for now.
Bye, Chris.
Oh, isn't that nice? She's that sweet.